a rollie, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop.
Good morning. So this is a part 2 of my first video of what do I do in a day as a fan slash Instagram model. So if you're new here, please subscribe and let's get it.
Damn.
MC, make another hit.
Whoa.
Come here. More like it. More like it.
Okay, so I'm here at the auto firm. My boy Alex, right here. Guys,
This ain't what you want.
Project
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. Ha! 1600 block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Side up, fuck, you gon' kill my.
so she has made it to the Airbnb that I'm staying at for the weekend, provided by the one and only Jatina's group. They have the best rentals in Miami. I'm actually right now in Fort Lauderdale. And then here's Michelle. Hi. And look how cute.
Trap, money, penny. Got me in my feelings.
You opened it. Yay! Yeah.
It's gonna be a good shot. It's gonna be a good shot.
Yeah. Yes. That's exactly what I'm gonna do, but with more tips. And more abs.
But the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices. They running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And then when you get to top and I see that you've been learning. And when you get to shopping, you spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump that confirmed it. Trap money, Benny. I buy you champagne, but you love some Henny. From the block like you Jenny. I know you special, girl, cause I know too many. Risha, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always, JT. Do you love me?
Alright, so I'm literally scoping everything out. I think I'm gonna be doing my live right there. I got my tripod, got my light going. We're gonna be litty titty for this damn shoot. Just for one, I guess. Alright, cheers. I know it looks like a double shot, like I'm just chasing it with a shot, but ginger ale. Let's go. Alright, just kidding. I found this. This is actually my favorite one piece that I have in Natalia. I had to. It comes with adjustable straps or no straps at all. And oops. Shot number
4. Was it 4? It's 4.
going.
No, I'm good. The next one I'll do it with you.
I know I'm an animal.
Yeah, that's your ginger ale.
Cheers. Cheers.
Six hours later.
Feel where you're at about yourself in your career and your life right now.
Hello?
People think you're all nice and cute driving in your new little car. With your new little gray color. But they don't know.
They only knew.
Camera.
Yeah.
And we're off. Let's go. Follow me.
Where we headed to?
Just low ones. Alright, this is the vibe that we decided to go with.
What? Oh, shoot. Whoa, how the fuck you? Whoa.
Oh, that's cute. Vibes.
I'm on house arrest, but I'ma take one. That pussy biting, so I paid to get a lace done. That nigga dissing on the ground, but I ain't say nothing. I ain't tripping, I'ma get on with that.